15, 10, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, go. Star 40, hug 3 left, nips, into 5 right long, tightens, hug, 4, don't, into, hug left, into, 5 right plus short, 40, hug 5 right minus long, tightens slowing, 3 plus half long, braking, open, hairpin left. 3 right long, into, hug 1 left plus half long, up 60. 2 left, opens, tightens 1 plus, into, 3 right half long, so 3 right half long, tightens hug 2 minus, into, 3 left plus, tightens, straightens over crest, into, slowing, 5 right half long, tightens neat, 3 plus, into, slow 4 left plus, 2 right half long, neat, and 3 left minus don't, opens half long, into slowing, hug hairpin right drive, 30, 3 right, tightens 2 cut, into, 3 left big don't, tightens minus neat, and 6 left 30, slow 4 left plus half long, tightens 2 minus, big don't, 60 kinks, slowing, hug 4 left plus, opens and open hairpin right, okay, hug right over 100. So hug right over 100, 5 left, loose, braking, into 4 right nips neat, 3 left plus half long over crest, opens 80, tightens, hug 4 plus over narrow bridge, tightens, carry, go 100 over bridge, cut 5 left plus 80, hug left over crest and 6 right, straightens over flat crest, 30, hug right on 50 over bridge, hug 4 left, opens, half long, carry, so hug 4 left, opens, half long, carry, 100, hug right, 80 over lake crest, slowing, sudden hairpin right, tightens 3, opens 3. And hug left right line, 5 left short, opens 30, tightens 2 long, don't, tightens hook late, and hug 4 right, so hug 4 right, into cut 4 left, into 5 right, tightens hug 3 minus, long round trees, nips, into 2 left plus, and so 2 left plus and cut 2 right minus, into loose 2 left opens, 60, hug 4 right nips, and 5 left minus late over crest, tightens hug 4 over second crest, opens half long, into 5 right plus, opens 30, tightens hug 3 plus half long over crest, opens and hug 5 left and 6 right over crest, opens and hug 4 right nips, slowing 5 left minus over crest, half long, tightens hug 3 plus neat over lake crest, 40, 4 right long, opens over crest, very long, and hug right left line, into hug 4 right plus, oh this is very long, hug right left line, into hug 4 right plus over crest, loose 4 left long, nips, neat exit, into 3 right minus nips, 2 left half long, don't go wide, hug 4 right, hug left over crest, sudden 4 right plus cut, into cut 5 left, plus and hug 5 right over crest, and 4 left plus straightens over crest, go 30, hug left over second crest, 120 through the dip. Hug 5 left over crest, okay, and 5 right over crest, opens, over second crest, okay, 80 through the dip. Hug 5 left nips, slowing 5 right over crest, half long, tightens 4, braking, hug left over crest, and neat, hug 3 right minus, opens late over tarmac. 80 kinks, hook 2 left plus, half long, opens over crest 30, hug left over crest and 4 right plus over crest, tightens hug 3 half long, opens 30, crest into 2 left minus, opens over crest nips, hug 5 right minus, and hug 6 left over crest, opens, braking and tightens, hug 1 left plus nips, into 3 right half long. So 3 right half long opens and 4 left plus over crest, opens. So 4 left plus over crest, opens and tightens, hug 3 plus, don't go wide, bad camber, and slowing 30 over 30, hook 2 right, and 4 left long, over crest, opens long, over second crest, nips into 5 right, half long, tightens 3 plus, don't go wide, opens 30, tightens 5, and hug 4 left, half long, opens little, over crest, and tightens hug over second crest, into slowing hug 3 right, into 4 left plus, half long, tightens 3 plus, short, bad camber, opens over crest, 150 kinks. 3 right plus long, over late crest, 30, remember, 5 left over crest, so 5 left over crest, opens, tightens 4 left long, nips, hug 6 right over double crest, continues, so hug 6 right over double crest, continues long and tightens 5, straightens over crest, slowing into hug 3 right minus. Don't go wide. Into hug 4 left over crest, half long, tightens 3, 30, hug 4 left minus over crest, nips, into 5 right minus long, tightens hug 3 minus, straightens over crest, 60, hug 3 left over crest, very neat, 60 kinks, hug 4 left, half long over crest, into hug 4 right minus, opens into 4 left, opens, braking and tightens minus, nips into hug 1 right plus, don't go wide, hug 3 left plus nips, into loose 1 right plus half long, into 3 left plus opens, and tightens 4 minus, 30, hug 4 left, opens over crest, tightens 5 over second crest, 60 down, 4 right minus, tightens hug 3 long, into 2 left minus, a 2 left half long, don't go wide. So 3 long into 2 left half long, don't go wide. Hug right over 40. Turn hairpin left onto the narrow, 40. Three right over crest, 60. Slowing 2 right, tightens 1 right, into 1 left, don't over crest, 50. Stay middle over crest, 6 left over second crest, long, tightens, hug 4 plus through dip, into 6 right over crest, 30. Slowing 3 left minus, opens, tightens 4, and hug very neat, 3 right minus over crest, tightens, opens very long, over late crest, hug right through dip, 30, hug 2 left, nips, double don't, 30, hug 4 left plus over crest, nips, slowing into loose, hug 3 right, bad camber, opens long and 5 left plus, over crest, opens, so 5 left plus, over crest, opens and tightens over second crest, 30, slowing, hug 3 left over crest, half long, loose, don't go wide, and 5 right, tightens, 3, late over crest, nips, braking 1 left plus long, tightens. And hug 4 right, half long, tightens 3. And hug 4 left minus, straightens over crest. And caution slowing, hug left into 3 right, quick, don't go wide, braking over crest. And turn, hug, hairpin left, tightens onto the tarmac. 3 right, into 2 left plus, don't go wide. 3 right opens, 40 kinks. 3 right minus, cut, maybe 30 over crest, slowing, huck 2 right very long, into, whoa. Hug 3 left, don't go wide, hug left right line over crest, slowing dip, we're almost at the end.
Yeah.
3 left minus nips, cut 1 right plus. 2 left half long, hug right. 2 left plus half long, opens, don't go wide, tightens 3. Into, hug 3 right minus, cut maybe. 4 left long, tightens 2, opens 60. Braking 5 left, slowing over crest, cut 2 right plus. Hug 5 left minus, half long. Braking and open hairpin right, drive maybe. 60. Left over double crest, 30. Crest slowing, sudden 5 right. Slowing 3 left plus half long. So 3 left plus half long, tightens and hug right left line over rough double crest. Hug right over 100. Stay leftish over crest 120 kinks. We're almost there, slowing 3 left minus nips. Braking 30, turn square right, tightens. So braking 30, square, turn square right, tightens, 200 over finish.
Wow, sorry about that, John.
That's all right.
I don't even know. I mean, it was loose, I was wide. Now what?
Well, we got to get back to service now. That's the challenge. So we may have a wheel to change, I think. Let me get the time. 3:06, 17.5. Let me just check. 3:06. Yep, that's good.